This is Teresa Florette, aka TWEETS Art. That's TWEETSART. That's me. And I'm also the Wig Whisperer. I'm the Wig Whisperer. Yes, I am the Wig Whisperer. I can't say it because the birds are making all the noise. Look at these boats. Look, 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 look. And the bird. And my bird. I don't know if you can see them. The sound. Remember that song I made up in Minneapolis? The sound of a crow. It's not a crow, but I'm saying it because it looks like a crow. The sound of a crow. Oh, there it is. Oh, don't you know the sound of a crow? Well, I'm going to have to make another song up because it may not be a crow. Here we go. Ooh, a bird that sounds. Here's my poem. A bird that sounds like an old Kodak camera. The one that winds up at the end. This little bird, this sounds like a Kodak camera. This little bird could be my friend. This little bird is black and beautiful. This little bird is just like me. This little bird is black and beautiful. We're both black and beautiful. Can't you see? He said, can't you see? Say it again, my friend. Say it again, little bird. Yeah, he's singing his song. Haven't you heard? Yeah, he's a very precious thing. Singing his songs to go all outdoors in the wild, you know. That's it. That's what we call it. In the wild. A bird in the wild. That's it. Yeah.